We'll guide you through how to use Asana resource management effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Asana account on your desktop and make sure you're in the project view. You'll want to navigate to the Portfolio tab at the top of the page. In the Portfolio view, you can see all your projects lined up and, importantly, the status of team members' workloads. To access resource management, click on the Workload tab. Here, you'll find a visual representation of your team's capacity. Each team member will have a horizontal timeline showing their assigned tasks. If a team member's workload is highlighted in red, it means they are over-allocated. You can adjust assignments by simply dragging and dropping tasks to balance the workload among your team. Asana allows you to set capacity limits for each person, which is incredibly helpful for maintaining a healthy workload. To set these limits, click on the capacity settings icon in the top right corner of the workload view. Enter the number of hours each team member is available per week, and Asana will automatically calculate their capacity. This is crucial for ensuring no one on your team is overwhelmed with tasks. Remember to frequently check back on this view, especially when new projects are added, to keep everything balanced. By using the filtering options on the right, you can narrow down the view to specific teams or timeframes, helping you focus on what's relevant at the moment. This tool is perfect for project managers who want to ensure their team is working efficiently and not being overburdened with too many tasks. Don't forget to regularly update task durations and allocations as project requirements change, keeping the workload distribution accurate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.